Iri ta njira ya guthaitira mititu guku bururi-ini, riu kamiti ino ya migunda ni irutire mukana andu aria megwateire migunda mititu-ini mugaru na watho. Munini wa muikariri giti kamiti-ini ino ya NLC Abigail Bagaya augite migunda iria igwateirwo mititu-ini guothe bururi-ini ni ya thirikari kuona taito nyingi ciacio ciaheanirwo mugaru na watho, akiruta mukana wa kuruturura aikari.
So what I want to tell our Kenyans who are holding title deeds, if you are in a forest area and you are holding a title deed to land that is gazetted as a forest reserve, you are holding nothing. You are just holding a piece of paper. Forests have never been available for allocation to anybody.
Bagaya augite gukinyaniria na riu kamiti no ni hotete kuyukia makiria ma taito 13,000 na no maguthie na mbere na tabarira eno.
If we can all work together, we can allow the forest department to use these lands to build forests. And when these institutions are ready to use their forests, they just go back and take back their forests. Because you see, KFS is government, the other land is government land. So we have a lot of land which can be used for forest purposes.
The institutions that are vested on that land on them should also bring the information to us. So that's when you can play the timeline. Once you've been given, then we put a public notice. These titles have been issued, and then from there now we can work. How long does it take for? Because they must be given a chance to come and present themselves.
County iria ciambite kumurikwo ni Kiambu, Nakuru na Laikipia, guku kamiti ino ikiuga gukinyia mwaka wa 2022 ni magukorwo mahotete gucokia mititu gicunji gia 10%. Andu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.